Okay, hello everyone. This is a recap video of November 30th, 2012 on crude oil. You're looking at a crude oil chart right here with my market profile, okay? These red and green dots are very vital to our members in our live room because they are leading indicators that actually show us the inside of the crude oil market, the gold market, and the euro market. We know every single day exactly how to trade the crude oil, gold, and euro markets, which I show in my live room. Now, what I'm going to go over with you in this video is exactly how to trade these market profile dots that automatically plot. They automatically come up on the 5-minute chart for you, so it's a leading indicator. They are way ahead of time. 99% of the indicators out there through Ninja or TradeStation are garbage, and the reason being is that they are lagging indicators. This actually is not my opinion. It's not your opinion. It's not my partner's Gerald's opinion on what to do. It is actually the inside of the market. This tells us exactly what the inside of the market is and exactly how to trade with the institutions. What these dots measure is they measure order flow. They will measure the institutional order flow because we know almost 70-80% of the market volume is controlled by the algorithms and by the high-frequency traders out there. So all the hedge funds, the institutions, the banks, we know exactly where the order flow is based upon these dots. These dots automatically come up through market profile. Now the difference is my market profile is different than the average market profile. Most traders use a 30-minute market profile. Those traders are left in the dust with a market profile like this. Why? 30-minute market profile is great for swing trading, but is terrible for day trading. You are behind the 8 ball every time you trade a 30-minute market profile. What a 5-minute market profile does, it allows me to look at a long-term time frame, but project on a 5-minute chart to know exactly when to buy and sell at these major inflection points. And that's exactly what we do in the live room. What I'd like you first to do is, after you watch this video, go to www.daytradingthefutures.com. I want you to print out that PDF. On that PDF, I want you to read from the top to the bottom. It's a very short PDF, and it's easy to read and easy to get through. And you're going to find out exactly why we have leading indicators in our live room and how we take advantage of the or trade right beside the institutions and take advantage over our trading opponents. Every single day, I have these automated dots that plot on the 5-minute chart, so you have no subjectivity in your trading. Now, this 5-minute chart is not enough. I teach traders on an 89-tick chart how to enter to the exact bar. Yes, I said it, the exact bar. Not 5-6 bars later, no subjectivity, no areas, no averaging down like some of these yahoos try to average down. If you ever hear anybody averaging down, they don't know what they're doing in the market. Because if you're going to average down, you're going to blow your account up, the bottom line. So if you ever hear anybody averaging down, stay away. The other way is that you have traders that keep on adjusting stops. If you don't know the exact bar to get into in the futures market, don't trade the futures market. I teach you the exact bar to get into with small risk with high reward. Our average trade on a breakout trade is 50 ticks, 40 to 60 ticks. So 50 tick, that's a 5-to-1 reward to risk trade that we're looking for. Okay, and I teach you how to do that. So let's go through this a little bit. I don't want to make this video very long. These market profile dots automatically come up. We know that it's the inside of the market. I know exactly how to play off these levels, and I teach you in my methodology. So if we have a red dot, those are called the red or high value area market profile. The green dots are low value area. When we logged in the trading room, I came at 8 o'clock this morning. I was telling traders that we want to look at buying LVA, low value area, because the market was in an uptrend. And I teach you how to know if the market's in an uptrend or downtrend. And that's in my videos and also in my room, and I teach you. But I teach you during the week. I'm in the room at 8:15 in the morning, and I teach you from 8:15 and how to trade just to 11 a.m. every single morning, only a couple hours of trading, how to play off these market profile dots. Because what happens, here was a trade this morning. We had a failure trade at the 30 tick right here. Okay? Here's a 30 tick trade right here. 30 tick trade, broke the market profile dots. I teach you how to buy or sell symmetry dots on an 89 tick for the exact bar entry, all the way down to LVA. Then we got the LVA buy. LVA buy only took a 7-tick heat on this trade, and it ran up to 50 ticks to the next market profile dots. Then I told traders in the live room, we have rejection test here, rejection test here. We're breaking out a high value area. Look for a breakout trade. Sure enough, I called it right on the button, and right before it broke out, traders got on this third test, breakout trade for a big move to the upside. That's 50, 30, 30, okay? Right? So that's over 120 tick potential or $1,200 potential with one contract. The crude oil is $10 per tick. Gold is $10 per tick, and per one contract is a $1,200 move just based upon these three trade setups. Now we had a total of 8 qualified trade setups today in the trading room, so you can see the potential and the reward to risk every day trading crude oil. This is why I like trading crude oil over the S&P 500 futures. This is why I like trading crude oil over the Russell 2000 or the Dow Minis, etc. The highest reward to risk is in crude oil and gold, period. If I rate the markets in order, crude oil will be number 1, gold will be number 2, euro will be number 3. You get your most bang for your buck in crude oil and gold. I teach you with these market profile dots how to enter, and I'll go over a trade that we did today in the room, how to enter to the exact bar. But the bottom line is, if you break down through high value area, you're looking for a downside push to low value area. If you come down to low value area, you're looking for a push back up to high value area. If you break outside of high value area, you're looking to push up to the next high value area or low value area. The bottom line, a very simple methodology. Anyone can learn this. Okay, we've got doctors all the way through career crossing. We had every single walks of life in my live trading room, all the way to landscapers. It doesn't matter what walk of life you come from. The bottom line is anybody can trade these markets if I show you my methodology, and I'll show you how to do it. So the bottom line, during the week, I'm in at 8:15 through Friday, guiding you through these trades, and we show you how to do some live action. So let's go to a trade setup here. One sec. Let me show you what we're looking at here. So we're looking at, this is a trade that I typed in my room for the afternoon traders. I'm going to hit a little action here and show you how this trade worked. At 1:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the afternoon, I said a break above previous high day would be a play to 89. I have 2 leading indicators in this room that will teach us how to buy and sell off big support resistance. One was market profile that I just showed you on these big breakouts and breakdowns. The second is this rolling pivot. I knew at this little eclipse right here that I've drawn in right now, I knew that my target was 89 is actually the high. 80, 88, 99 was actually the high of the crude oil market in the afternoon. I called it by 1 tick, and the market was all the way down here. All the way down here at 88.60. How can I call within 1 tick of the high of crude oil? How can I call it when I'm 40 ticks away? And how do I know how to get in this trade to get to 89? How can I take advantage of that? That's in my PDF. Go to www.daytradingthefutures.com and I'll teach you how to do this. We knew on a 5-minute chart that we had an uptrend in the market. I knew based upon these moving averages that we are in an uptrend. I base a lot of my weight on this moving average. Magenta was in a hard 35, 45 degree angle up. I'm only looking to buy. I'm not looking to short. So I told my traders at 142, it's all the way back here where this eclipse is at. A 142, only 2 possible trade setups. A break above previous high a day would be a play to 89. Or a breakout retest would be a play to 89. Okay? Let's go ahead and play this and let me show you how this works. Now the previous high a day, we use the 89 tick for entry. Okay? So look at the chart ticking right now. Oops. Start this for you. Look at the chart ticking right over here on the 89 tick chart. It was hitting against my previous high a day. I know based upon the hundreds and thousands of trades that we do in the room the last 2 years, I know if I break above the previous high a day, I'm looking to go long on a third test breakout. Okay? Third test breakout, or I'm looking for a breakout. I'm looking for a breakout. This is my favorite trade setups. This is my little pattern that I call a retest long that I've been using for 2 years in the room. I want to see a breakout retest long. So that's the pattern I'm looking for right there. At 142, I said a break above previous high day would be a play in the 89. We use these symmetry dots to get into major breakout trades. Some trades are 40 to 60 ticks. That's $400 to $600 per one contract with a $100 risk. Okay, that's a 4 to 6 average, a $500 trade with a $100 risk. When we break through these symmetry dots, a 2/3 candle close, I tell my traders to get long. We also have an entry software program, which I'll show you. It's going to automatically get us in here in a second, that you can put on your Ninja Trading software to watch my live room and then also get in automatically on your Ninja Trader. So let me show you a trade setup. The trade was up. Okay, let me pause this real quick. We had to move up. The 5-minute chart is up. One of my main methodologies is to look for a breakout of the previous high day. It's categorized by my red dots on the 89 tick chart in my room. And you can see once we break through it, I'm looking for a retest, and I'm going to go long in the first green candle close bar to go higher. I also have automated software that I sell one-time charge for $300 or $297 to assist you in the live room. If you don't like pulling the trigger, let the automated software pull the trigger for you. It only does it with 5-minute trend, or if you want to go against 5-minute trend, you can turn it on that way also. I have software program where you can view my charts in the room and turn the automated software on if you want to pull the trigger, if you don't want to pull the trigger yourself. Now let's take a look at this. Here we go. Let's go and take a look at this. I call it rejections. This is a rejection right here. At 144, I said rejection. See at 144 right here? I said rejection. That is good. Rejecting is good because I know once I break out above the symmetry dots, my target's going to go all the way to 89 for me. Also, I know if I break out above 88.69, I'm looking for a retest long. So I want it to break out, get me long on a breakout at 75. That's one way to do it on my automated software, or retest long manually. Here we go. Now watch the market break. It rejected. Here's going to fill me. Once I break out, my automated software will get me in with my stop. I have a 10-tick hard stop. 10-tick hard stop. Okay, there it is. I'm 88.77 long. The second way to do it manually, look for 88.69 retest long. Look, I said, or breakout retest at 143. There's a retest. Wait for a green bar close to get long. Green bar close, bam. There's your long green bar close. Now, I got this on replay a little faster for you. It won't be this fast in live conditions. But there is my first target. It's going to come up. I've got a target on my automated software that you can put any target you want. But my target's 89 on this trade. There's my first target. My second target's coming up to hit. There's my second target at 88.93. You could have took it higher if you wanted to. Watch the market fall now. The market is now rolling over. I got a market rolling over because my target was my leading indicator. My target was already at 89, right? So if you're manually trading, guess what you did? If you went long on the green bar reversal, then you got all the way, your target was 89 based upon my rolling. Here, I'll just shut this down here real quick. Right here is my target, right? I was all the way down at 88.60 saying that's my target. Guess what? I knew at 88.60 I'm looking for a breakout, retest long, or a break above my symmetry dots. Only two ways to trade this. I knew 40 ticks beforehand that I know my target's 89, but I knew the exact bar to get into. I knew this exact bar in the retest to get into with a small stop, and I knew the exact auto entry to get in on the auto software that I sell for you for $300 or $297 lifetime fee. That's it. So if you want to pull the trigger, not pull the trigger yourself, get in the automated software for Ninja. If you want to let you manually trade, you wait for a retest long with 5-minute trend. There's your green reversal bar. There's your target at 89. Doesn't get better than that, guys and gals. Doesn't get better than that. I just showed you the 120 tick potential just in the first 2 hours of trading using market profile, and then we just banged another 20 ticks just like this on a methodology that I teach you to do every single day. Now, we only have a few setups in the room. I'm going to turn this video off. We only have a few setups in the room, and guess what? There's less than 5 on your hand. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setups in the room. That's it. And we use primarily 2 or 3 setups in the room. We trade them over and over and over again. We had a trader that just did 300 ticks. 300 ticks, back-to-back days. 300 ticks, back-to-back, 100 ticks, 100 ticks, 120 ticks. Back-to-back days this week. So congratulations, Earl. Good job, buddy. Our member in our live room. You did it this week, and he's only been in with us how many months, Jero? 2 months? Earl's not been with us very long. So he's done very, very, very well. He's been with us 2 months in the room, and he's done 300 ticks in the room. That's $3,000 per one contract on oil. Okay? And his buddy just came in for a trial, did 40 ticks. And Michael, good job, buddy. And he did 3 contracts a day and did 40 ticks. Congratulations. All right, that'll do it, everybody. And everybody, congratulations. Have a great weekend, and take care.